Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about silver diamine fluoride for prevention of caries in children. Silver diamine fluoride is an antimicrobial and a remineralizing solution used to arrest active carious lesions. It is available as 38% SDF or silver diamine fluoride, which contains 24 to 28% silver and 5 to 6% fluoride or 44,800 ppm fluoride. Silver acts as the bacteriostatic agent, while fluoride acts as the remineralizing agent. It is particularly used to arrest those active carious lesions which are limited to the enamel and dentine. The armamentarium required for application of 38% SDF includes a PMT set or a probe, mouth mirror and tweezer, 38% silver diamine fluoride, a Dapin dish, cotton rolls for isolation, 2 micro applicator tips and white petroleum jelly. No cavity preparation or drilling is required for the placement of silver diamine fluoride. After thorough oral prophylaxis, we will first dry the tooth using a 3-way syringe. After that, we will protect the surrounding tissues, that is, the lips and the gums, using white petroleum jelly. Then, isolate the tooth onto which 38% silver diamine fluoride is to be applied using cotton rolls. Dispense 1 drop of silver diamine fluoride solution in a Dapin dish. Pick up a micro applicator tip and dip it into the silver diamine fluoride solution. Now apply the solution onto the active carious lesion which is to be arrested. Hold the applicator tip in contact with the caries for a few seconds. Wait for 1 to 3 minutes before asking the patient to close his or her mouth. Repeat every 3 to 6 months as needed. The only single disadvantage of SDF is the black discoloration that is associated with the use of SDF. This black staining of the tooth is due to the formation of silver phosphate compounds which are formed by the interaction of silver from SDF and phosphate ions from the carious tissue. However, silver diamine fluoride also comes with multiple advantages, including its ease of use, it being time effective, no aerosols are generated, it is economical, it is painless, and it is a safe procedure. Silver diamine fluoride can also be used for other applications, including control of hypersensitivity, indirect pulp capping. It can be effectively used to arrest caries in medically compromised patients, uncooperative children, and children with special healthcare needs. It can also be used on a large scale in a very easy way in rural areas and on campsites. Thank you.